Well, hello and welcome to Spring 2021 and to Psychology 235, Section 500 online. I'm Beverly Beyer. I'm going to be your instructor this semester, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to welcome you here to our class, to a new semester, let you see a little bit of me. This is where my home office, where I'll be working this semester, and just, you know, get kind of a sense of who I am, as well as hopefully welcome you and encourage you to get in touch with me, say hello, and so we can create kind of a nice community in our class this semester. So I have a few different things that I'd like to just chat with you briefly about. And one is kind of how the course is organized. So once you get in, you'll be able to take a look and see that our class is set up in kind of a weekly format. So every Monday morning, there'll be a new set of kind of guidelines, instructions, activities, reminders about things that are going to be due or going on for that week. And so our weeks run sort of Monday through Sunday. Assignments will be due on Tuesday nights. All of our discussions open and close on Thursdays. And then all of your quizzes will be due on Sunday nights. Your midterm and your final will be open between a Wednesday and a Friday. So again, we just have kind of a rhythm that the class kind of gets into and that you'll get used to. But hopefully the Monday reminders will help with that a little bit. Um, as you take a look at the class, again, take a look at your first week, any assignments, any of the syllabus materials, again, uh, the way the class is kind of set up for each week and those modules, course notes, things like that. So if you have any questions about any of that each week, do let me know. I'm happy to answer those questions. And again, uh, individually through D2L instant messaging is fine. Or you can post something on the main discussion board, and that would be like raising your hand in class. And you can ask a question that way, and that way the whole class has the benefit of that question and answer. But that's up to you. I'm more than happy to work individually through email. So Psychology 235 is such a fun class. It is my favorite class to teach, and I just love that it kind of goes through the whole lifespan. It is a higher level, a 200 level psychology course, so it has kind of psych majors as well as a 200 level elective component, but it also is a prereq to the nursing program. So keep that in mind. We've got very symbiotic type of goals in mind in terms of exposure to APA format, which again we use in psychology as well as in the nursing program, and some exposure to some of the main theorists. Again, that we want to reemphasize or continue to emphasize in psychology, such as Erickson and Piaget. But those will also be theories that you'll have to chart for those of you who are going into the nursing program. So we want to make sure that we have those kind of goals in mind. And so I think you'll kind of get that sense as we're going through the class. Um, I don't. It is a difficult class because for many of you, these might be terms and kind of a genre that you are a field that you haven't been exposed to before. I don't think it's excessively difficult, but what makes it challenging is that there is a lot of material. So I want everyone to keep that in mind. We do have 25 chapters of material that we will cover this semester, and so I've got kind of two pieces of advice. My first piece of advice is please, please, please stay on track. So I've set up our weekly modules with kind of scaffolding to help you kind of move through each of the different components, whether it's mastery of the content, your papers, whatever it is. I've done to try to keep you on track, and so that you can be successful in the long run and have enough time to do really well at all the different components. So number one, please keep up. That is the thing that I've heard that students struggle with the most in the past, is that when they fall behind. So do the best you can to keep up, recognizing if you fall behind, it just keeps going. So it takes a lot to catch up. Um, the other thing that to think about is that we don't have a ton of points in this class. So again, you add lots of material, not a lot of points. And again, that is by design because the focus is on the content mastery application of the material, not a lot of other kinds of things. So you do have a couple of papers, you do have discussion, we have some basic online kind of components, but the goal is mastery and application of the content material. So please keep in mind that you need to be on the ball when it comes to your points. That this isn't a class where you have tons of points that you can kind of, languish here in the beginning. You need to be right on top of it right in the beginning. And that is a STEM type of course as well as what your nursing program will be like. So I'm going to ask everyone, in addition to trying to keep on track, please also ask those questions as you're going through. Ask rather than not ask me questions as you're going through. As you get ready to submit your journal article report, please try to keep on track of each of the things and ask questions along the way. I do that a lot, and I'm happy to answer questions. That's what I'm here, part of what I'm here for. So kind of keep that in mind, and to keep up on recognizing that if you have questions, for example, on quizzes and how the quizzes work that are there to prepare you for the exam, let me know if you have questions along the way. Again, that's what I'm here for. So I think that's it as far as what I have things to talk with you about and today. And most of all, I want to welcome you to the course. Again, this it's a difficult time, kind of in right these days, and I want this class to be a place that you're going to find success, and hopefully you'll love the material as much as I do. So I want it to be a good educational experience, and I want you to be successful, and that's what I'm here for. So please, as you go through the materials, if you come up with something that doesn't work, just ask me. Let me know, keep me posted, send me an email. If not, hopefully everything will go smoothly. That's what we're hoping for. So welcome to fall 2021. Welcome to Psychology 235. I'm Beverly. I look forward to getting to know you as well. And we'll see you in the class. All right, take care. Bye.